Hello parents, and welcome back to another Parent University video, Google Classroom Email Notifications. There are a few ways in which teachers and students can communicate remotely. One way that is frequently used by teachers is through email. The problem is, students tend to have their emails flooded with notifications from Google Classroom. Google Classroom will send students an email notification when teachers post assignments, comment on a post, grade, or return assignments, to name a few. This is the case for each class that a student is enrolled in, so you can imagine how many emails students receive on a daily basis. This becomes an issue when teachers reach out to students through email. In most cases, when students check their email, teacher emails and any other important email for that matter become lost in the flood of Google Classroom notification emails. To fix this issue, we are asking students to turn off email notifications for classes in Google Classroom. Since students are expected to log into their Google Classrooms daily, there is no need for these email notifications. The process to do this is very simple. Let's walk you through it. From the Google Classroom homepage, you'll want to click on the icon in the top left corner that looks like 3 stacked horizontal lines. Now click on the Settings button at the very bottom. This will open your settings for Google Classroom. You'll notice a section labeled Notifications. Just below that is the toggle for email notifications. This is what you'll want to turn off. This will turn off email notifications for all classes that a student is enrolled in. That's all there is to it. We hope you found this video helpful. As always, thanks for watching.